Have you been thinking that 2025 might just be the year you need to make a move in our Denver, Colorado real estate market? But with higher home prices and interest rates nowhere near those 3s and 4s that we got used to a few years ago, is it really a good time to buy in 2025? Well, today we're going to cover the latest Denver, Colorado real estate market report for April and show you why this year might just be your best opportunity to buy since 2012. March 2025 brought energy to the housing market with both buyers and sellers making moves. New listings were up as 6,512 homes hit the market, giving buyers a broad selection. Active listings jumped 41% compared to last March, with 10,376 homes available, offering a welcome shift from the tighter markets of the winter months. For the South Denver metro area, pending or under contract homes were up 15.8% year over year, showing that buyers were out in March looking to get into a home. New listings were up 29.5% year over year, showing that sellers were looking to get a jump on our spring home selling market in the hope of reducing the competition for their homes. Median sale price stayed the same as this time last year, holding at $589,970. Median days in the market were up 7 days to 19 days compared to last year, and weeks of inventory of homes for sale jumped to 12.3 weeks, which is 7.4 weeks more than it was this time last year. So what does this mean for you? Well, buyers were enthusiastically getting homes under contract at almost 16% increase over last year, showing growing confidence and taking advantage of seller concessions for buying down the interest rate, which we're seeing in about 60% of the closings. This is something we have not seen in recent years. Active listings were way up compared to what we've seen in the last few years, where we're now looking at a little over 3 months supply compared to the 2 weeks supply I was reporting a couple of years ago. This is giving buyers breathing room and is reflected in the increase in days on market as buyers can take their time picking just the right home. The not so good news from this month is that attached homes are sitting longer on the market due to insurability issues, as some of those HO6 insurance policies for buyers and sellers are no longer offered by some insurance companies. If you're a seller, the good news is if your home is priced right and looks good, you're getting 99% of the list price when you go under contract. And in some cases, if the buyer's asking for concessions, you might even get a little bit more. So to wrap up, for buyers, there's plenty of active listings out there currently, which means a lot more choices for you. Home prices are holding steady and sellers are willing to give concessions. And as for sellers, pricing your home correctly means you will get 99% of the list price, and being open to paying down the rate for a buyer may help your home stand out in an increasing pool of homes for sale. That's why this April report leads me to believe that this year might just be your best opportunity to buy a home since 2012.